Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about surface area and volume of cones. So for this first video we're going to be talking about surface area of a right cone, and that is that the surface area S of a right cone is that S is equal to pi r squared plus pi r L, where r is the radius of the base and L is the slant height. And so we see an example of a right cone right here. And we see my radius is just going to be that radius of the circle of the base of the cone. And the slant height is this length here along the slant of the cone. So that's different than the height. The height of the cone would be this right here. That is perpendicular to the radius. And when we're talking about surface area, we're talking about basically just the area of the surface of this cone. So if I were to unravel this cone, it would be finding the area of that. So that's different than volume. Volume would be everything contained in the cone. Surface area is just the area of the surface itself. So let's find some examples of finding the surface area of right cones. So I have this cone here, and I want to find the surface area. And so again, I want to use my formula, which is that S is equal to pi r squared plus pi r L. Well, I see that my radius here is 4, and my slant height is 6. So that means that this is going to be pi times r, which is 4 squared, plus pi r, which is 4, times L, which is 6. 4 squared, I get 16 pi, plus 4 times 6 is 24, plus 24 pi. 16 plus 24, I get 40 pi. And then when I multiply that out, 40 times pi, I get approximately 125.66 inches squared. And so here my units are squared because I am finding area. Okay, let's look at another one. So here I want to find the surface area. So again, I have that S is equal to pi r squared plus pi r L. I see in my diagram here that my radius is 7.8 and my slant height is equal to 10. So plugging that in, I get pi times 7.8 squared plus pi times r, which is 7.8, times L, which is 10. .8 squared, I get 60.84. 7.8 times 10, I get 78 pi. Now 78 plus 60.84, I get 138.84. And now when I multiply 138.84 times pi, I get approximately 436.18 meters squared.